Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
You're on the wrong side of the road, bud. Turn around. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Go. Hold out in front of that guy.
God dang.
His voice low and rough. Manon reached up to peel off his shirt. White fabric sliding away to reveal tan skin and sculpted muscle.
No matter how high we go.
You near where you live? Oh, weird. Person just ran through their stop sign.
Led by Andrew Henry. Born in 1770 in Pittsburgh on what was then the western frontier, Fate was a keelboat man who made a name for himself plying the waters of the Ohio and Mississippi rivers.
Holy
The number of seats that can be won by minorities, specifically Black Americans or Hispanic Americans, because frequently certain communities vote in great.
URA, your aura. For a limited time, Bob and Tom listeners get $25 off the best-selling Carver mat frame, just like that one. Use the code word Tom. That's AURA, auraframes.com. The promo code is Tom.
I've already said that the Bible tells me that Noah was 120 years old when he built the ark. Now, you can either go to church and believe that Noah was 120 years old when he built this ark.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.